everybody, it's Johnny in southern Sweden. I'm outside. This is March 6th, 2026. And it's day 42 of the vlog. Probably hard to see me right now. Maybe this little light will turn on in a second. Here we go. Anyway, I'm out here. And I hear... Sorry to drop the things I was carrying. I hear a sound in the woods, and I don't know what animal it is. What if you could help me identify it? I don't know. Is it a owl? Is it a... I don't know if you can hear it. Well, anyway, that's life in the woods. That's life in the great outdoors, as it were. All right. Wonder how your day's been. Today was the warmest day in months. It was beautiful. I know I'm distracted looking around now, but hey, look at this old antique photo right here. It's a painting, I guess. This was an old neighbor. And, yeah, gave this photo away. Hung it right here in the shed for a little decoration. But yeah, that's not a photograph, I don't think. Unless it's just extremely early. But no, I think it's a painting. Maybe it's a photograph that was painted over, perhaps. Don't know. Once again, life in the big woods. I'm gonna go back into the dark. Hope you have a good day wherever you are. Thanks for taking a little gander with me. Bye.